All right, you, Monica, class has started 2 days ago, okay? So I want you to go work this out. Sunday, Tuesday, are you done?
Yes.
You are done?
Yes.
Okay, you need to come to the board and do it then.
Wait, I thought you meant done talking.
Oh, okay, good. So get down to work now. Get down to work. No, I don't want a table. Why would you want to do a table? For what?
I got this.
Okay, so Monica, if 2,8, yesterday I told my wife to listen to the YouTube. I just wanted to see how I've got to yell at you to get your attention. Okay, you specifically. I don't know if you watched it or not. So anyway, if 2,8 lies on F, which point is going to lie on F inverse? Yo, Monica, sorry? 8,8. Prove it to me. Prove it to me. Do it. Do it. Right now.
Right here.
Yes, Monica, right here. All right. Moving on. So now this is where calculus happens, okay? This is where calculus happens now. So I want you to get this table down and then let's start filling it together, okay? Yeah, get this table down and let's start filling it together, okay? Okay, so starting out with you, Karthik, F prime. F prime, this guy here. Sorry? 2x. Chris, G prime. Hang on, wait a minute, Sajal, just hang on. Negative 1/2? Sorry, Rachel? Yes. So, are you okay if I write it like this? Would this be alright with you? Yes? Is everybody okay on this? Monica, you okay?
Wait, actually half for 1/2.
Okay.
Oh,
It's the derivative of x to the 1/2, so the half comes down. And then you subtract 1 from 1/2, gives you negative 1/2, which means that it's going to be downstairs, right?
I'm at 1/2.
Yeah, isn't that the same thing as that? That's what I have.
Oh, it is.
Except I took the negative exponent out.
Yeah, you did.
Okay? All right. Then do this. The last column. The last column. So remember, f prime is 2x and g is square root of x. So all you need to do is take this, shove it in here, and take the reciprocal.
2x. 1/2x times square root of x.
No, you're going to substitute.
Oh, like
So, whoa, what the F? Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Pay attention here. Yo, listen up. All you need to do is take this, shove it in place here in place of x, then take the reciprocal of it.
1/2 times square root of x.
Thank you. Okay? Okay? Derivative, where are we? Ed, your term. Derivative of x cubed. Hang on, Monica. 3x squared. Okay. Stuart, next. Sorry? So cube root of x squared? Is that what you mean? No? Well, let's think about this. This guy here is x to the 1/3, right? You differentiate that, you get 1/3 times x to the negative 2/3. Yes?
Yeah.
What's x to the negative 2/3? The negative sign goes away if you put it 1 over. And then what's x to the 2/3? Cube root of x squared. Isn't that what I have?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the last column there then? Where are we? Sujal, your turn.
So it's going to be 1 over 3 times root the cube root of x squared.
Nice. Okay. All right. So now you're beginning to see a pattern. So Monica, your turn. Derivative of x to the 5.
X to the 5. 5x to the 4.
5x to the 4th. Rachel. Derivative of wait a minute. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. First of all, you need to give me the inverse. Monica, inverse of x to the 5.
X to the 5 root x.
5 root x. Okay. Rachel, your turn. Derivative of x to the 5, Rachel. No, I'm talking about x to the 5, derivative of this guy. Shh, hang on. Shh. 5x to the 4th. Stephanie. Stephanie, derivative of g prime. That's okay, take your time. Hang on. She's working on it. Monica. Stephanie.
So 1 over 5
1 over 5.
to the 5th root of x squared.
5th root of x to the 4. Is everybody okay on that? Okay. Heather, last column. Just look at the pattern and give me the answer. Just look at the pattern. Sorry? Same thing. So what do you conclude? What's your conclusion?
Everything has an X.
Whoa, Monica, do me a favor. Can you get some duct tape from there and duct tape that duck's mouth there?
Can I really? Wait, really?
Okay, hang on. Cindy, your turn. What do you notice? Hang on. Cindy, what do you notice? Just give me simple English, no math, no derivative, nothing. Just simple English. Sorry? They, meaning me and Layla are the same.
We're all part of the universe.
Okay, Cindy, simple, something that even a kindergartner can understand. Thank you. The last two columns are the same. How easy can that be? How can that be? Okay? So that's a kind of visual thing. Okay? The real conclusion is, okay, you want to listen to this. Okay? The real conclusion is that the derivative of the inverse is the reciprocal of the derivative of the original. Okay? Derivative of the inverse is the reciprocal of the derivative of the original. Okay? So that's English in an Indian accent, and here's your math. Here's the math. Okay? So get this down, and then we've got two problems to do. Okay, moving on to an example. Okay? So here's the example. And so listen up, okay? The bottom line of the concepts today is to find the derivative of the inverse without having to find the inverse. Okay, without having to find the inverse. Because next week when you're going to do a worksheet, you'll see there are problems where you can't find the inverse explicitly. It's just nearly enough impossible. Okay, or it's too difficult. But yet you can find the derivative at one specific point. Okay, at one specific point. So this example and the one after that will be really using that that concept. Okay. Okay, so you might want to copy this slide down and then we'll start working on it, okay? Monica, please, okay, Chupkar, okay? Then for part A, what is f prime of 1 equal to? Thank you. Right, yeah, you just put in x equals 1 in here. And you get 1 over 2 times square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so you get a quarter. Need I explain step number 2 there? Right, if 1 comma 2 lies on f, then 2 comma 1 is going to lie on g. Remember, g is the inverse function. Okay? All right, I don't need to say anything about that. So for part B, this is what you want to find. You want to find g prime of 2. Okay? G prime of 2 is going to be 1 over, from the theorem, 1 over f prime g of 2. What is g of 2 equal to? From this statement here. Right there. So this becomes 1 over f prime of 1. What is that going to be equal to? Whoa. 1 over f prime of 1. Just 4? Is everybody there? 1 over 1/4, which is 4.
It's 4.
Whoa. Monica gets there on Indian Standard Time. Okay? Is everybody okay on this? Everybody got that okay? Carmen, you alright? Okay. Now notice that I did not find the inverse to do this problem. However, you can always do that, not always. In this problem, you can find the inverse. Okay? Differentiate that, put in x equals 2, and show me that the answer is indeed equal to 4. So let me give you instructions, okay? Cindy, Chupkar. Let me give you instructions. Find the inverse of this. Find the inverse of that. That will be g. Find its derivative. Okay? And then put in x equals 2 when you get that, and your answer should be 4. Do it. Does he do this as well? He doesn't do that? That's surprising. What?
He told me how he was so popular with the girls because he
Back in India?
was really good, yeah.
Oh, because he was a Bollywood
Trying to
guy?
get me to love math.
Oh, well, in a way, that's kind of my style too.
No, he's just like, he tells me that numbers are sexy. And wow, okay.
All right. Okay, I'm doing number 71, okay? I'm doing number 71. So notice that what you're trying to do is find the derivative of the inverse. In other words, you're trying to find f inverse prime of A. Right? So in my notation, remember, this was called g of A, right? Because g is the inverse function, okay? In the notation that I use, okay? So would you agree that A is the x-coordinate of g? From this is what it means. A is the x-coordinate of g. So what will it be for f? Hello? We just did this. Sorry? It'll be the y-coordinate of f, right? Didn't we just agree a few minutes ago that x of one is the y of the other is the x of the other, and so on? Okay? So then, from that statement, are you happy if I make this conclusion? Okay? In other words, the y-coordinate of f is equal to 2. And if the function is this, then that be its y-coordinate. That's equal to 2. I can now rewrite this as x cubed plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And you should be able to solve this equation just by inspecting it, just by looking at it.
X minus 3x.
That's a cube.
Oh my God.
Yeah, seriously. I should have taken your offer up to put him in duct tape.
I can still do that.
Let's see, you might have, yeah. Just by looking at it, you should tell the answer. Thank you. X equals 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Okay? All right. So then, this guy is going to be equal 1 over f prime of 1. Of g of, what did I say? G of 2. So g of 2 is going to be, right? A is equal to 2. So this now here, this here is the x value of f. So it's going to become the y value of g. Okay? Is everybody with me on this? Okay? What's f prime equal to? 3x squared plus 2. What's f prime of 1 equal to? 5. You come back and you put it in here. What's your answer equal to? 1 over 5. Is that what the book tells you at the back?
Yes.
7.3, number 71. Not 7, 5.3. Yeah, okay, I'm done.